Seems a good over. Full toss, and he is slashed hard on the offside. This is running towards the boundary line, and the chase is on. Santosh has finally. Is he gonna go for a release shot? Here he comes in again. Santosh, foolish ball again, and he's bowled him. First wicket for Dynamos. It was on the stump. Comes in again. Santosh, foolish ball again, and he's bowled him. First wicket for Dynamos. It was on the stumps. Kapil has played all over it. Lose deliveries. Here he comes again, and a short ball, and that was not from the middle of the bat, but it's running towards the boundary. Good shot by Arun Fine. Chinaman kind of delivery, and he's missed this one. Wide ball straight away, and this is running down the boundary line. 4 runs. Freebies for Royal. Another one, big shot, release shot by Jatin is played on in the game. Here he comes back in. Jatin is on strike. Another one, and Jatin has smashed it on the mid-wicket side for a big shot. Over of the power play. This is first match one also versus Dynamos. Zan comes in again, and a short ball. He has pulled it down the square leg boundary. Zan comes in again, and a short ball. He has pulled it down the square leg boundary for 4 runs. Excellent shot by Arun. He looks in some great touch. Here he comes again, Zain. Second ball of the over. Fuller ball, another full toss, another down the fine leg boundary this time. Excellent shot, Arun. 5.3 overs, and Dynamo seems to be losing some way here. Another ball from, and this one has been played. Oh, and the catch has been dropped. He's taken it right on his. Are we looking for a release shot? And that is the Fuller delivery. He's played down the wicket, straighter shot, and that has gone for a boundary. Brilliant shot by. Another full toss, another one played, excellent shot. He's given direction to the ball, and that has raced away to the boundary. Arun is good start here for Oil Risers. Vinod will box in again, and this time it is wideish delivery, and he has played it a rash shot by for his second over, and this one has been nicked back to the wicket keeper. A very soft dismissal again for Oil Risers. A decent manner so far. They're scoring at a rate of almost 8 runs every over. Fuller delivery again, played back, and that was caught and bowled. They're scoring at a rate of almost 8 runs every over. Fuller delivery again, played back, and that was caught and bowled. We need to see if Shiv continues to bowl good line in length from here on. Another wideish delivery, and Vineet has slogged that one high in the air. A catch is there for the taken, and that is second last ball of his 5th over, outside of wide ball. That was a shorter delivery. The batsman has just given direction to the ball, and the ball has run towards the boundary line. Again over the wicket, and Fuller delivery played down the wicket, and a catch has been taken outside a quick. Vineet has slogged it hard. It's going over the head of the deep mid-wicket fielder, who seemed to have came in. A brilliant save in the end. An excellent stop. Fuller delivery, and Subbu has smashed it. Not going all the way, and it's a boundary. It's a boundary. A soft signal and a Fuller delivery. That one has taken inside edge, is running towards the boundary line, and fielders are chasing it. They seem to have stopped in their boundary. They hit it down the ground. An excellent shot. They will look for 2, and they go for it. This could be a close call, and it's a close one. This might be the one they need. Another save, and in the end, another 2 runs. Excellent chase by the fielders all over the place. They have again for the last ball of his first over, and again it was there to be driven. He's played it down the ground, and it seems to have been middle, and an excellent shot in the end. A full ball again, and an inside edge. It's running towards the boundary line. The chase is on for both fielders from both the sides, and a good save in the end by his running. Jatin comes in one more time. Another ball on the stumps, and that will be gone now. That's a typical Jatin LBW dismiss. Jatin to pressure, and it was from the middle of the bat. Excellently driven down the ground by Prabhat. This can run down towards the boundary line up, and it does. A full delivery, another inside edge. The ball is running towards the boundary, and it will be a 4. A welcome boundary for Dynamos, and To Prabhat Saxena, who seems to be in magical touch. He's played over the gully area. He's flashed it hard. This will run away to the boundary, and it does. An excellent to Prabhat. Driven, excellent shot. It was full. It was outside off stump, and Prabhat makes best use of the ball one more time. Time to outside off, and he has played it down the third man boundary. A delicate touch by Prabhat, and he gets another boundary in his name. Feroz comes in for the last time in this over, and he has again one more time played it with a delicate touch, this time between third man and gully fielder. One more boundary for Dynamo Dynamo. For the next few overs, they need to build this partnership. Another amazing shot, lofted drive. No one could stop that one. Loose balls. Vinith comes in one more time. A quicker one. Play toward the short mid wicket. This could be a tricky run, and that's a direct hit. This could be a big blow. Comes in again. Another one outside off. That was outside off and wide. Very well played by Shahbaz. A boundary. A welcome boundary for Shahbaz. That was. He has cut that one. A good length delivery. Played on the merit of the ball. Outside off. Cut it towards the third man backward point area, and another time in the over. This one is still closer to the wicket, looking for a cheeky single again, and that could be another damage done. This one is closer to the wicket, and this has been smashed hard towards the cover boundary, and a welcome boundary for Dynamo. The fielder, and the throw came to the wrong end. And another run out chance missed by Oil Serve. Bowls few good deliveries and then bowls a very wide one. This one is onto the stumps. Another appeal and given. And this is a big wicket. Zain on strike. And this has been flashed out on over the top of the third man fielder's head. And this can run away to the boundary, and it does. A welcome boundary. Amazing spell. Got 2 wickets already. He comes in one more time, bowling into Zain. And Zain has hit that one hard, and this could be gone, and the catch has been taken by Akhilesh. Another loopy delivery this time, and this one has been struck hard. This can go up to the boundary line, and this has gone all over the wicket. Is a one big hit on this ball. Can they do it? And that has been hit really well, and this one goes towards the boundary line between the fielders. Long comes in, James on strike, and he has hit that one again pretty well. This could be a goner, and an excellent catch by the fielder at deep mid wicket. An excellent full delivery outside off that has been cut away for a decent shot towards the third man boundary, and it goes all.